When the whole world is talking about turmeric latte, let me show you a unique recipe from turmeric to surprise your family. Let's make chatpata and healthy fresh turmeric pickle. For those of you unaware of fresh turmeric, this is how it looks from the outside, a bit like ginger root. From the inside, it has this distinctive yellow color. To make the pickle, I am taking 250 grams of fresh turmeric, peeled, cut into thin sticks and air dried for 5 hours for long shelf life. I am putting a pan to heat to prepare the dry masala. Once heated, I am taking here 2 tablespoons fennel seeds or saunf, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds or jeera, 1 tablespoon yellow split mustard seeds, that is kuti hui peeli sarson, half teaspoon methi seeds. We are dry roasting these spices. Keep on stirring to roast them evenly. I can smell the deep aromas now. Time to take it off the hot pan. I will be pulse grinding the spices into a fine powder. You should get it as fine as this. Our pickle spice mix is ready now. Move on to the next step. I am taking here 1 cup mustard oil to heat. I am dropping some fennel seeds to test if the oil has heated appropriately. Add in 1 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of saunf. Adding to the spices, chopped fresh turmeric, adding the spice mix we prepared earlier, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder, that is Saunth, and salt to taste. Let's bring all the ingredients together. Once nicely mixed with the spices and sauteed lightly for a couple of minutes, turn off the flame. Add half cup lemon juice and mix this well. I am taking here a clean and dry glass jar and filling it with the pickle. Avoid the pickle's contact with moisture and your pickle would be good to enjoy for long. Make sure to submerge the turmeric in the spice oil completely. Next, keep it in the sunlight for 5 hours for maximum shelf life. Alternatively, cover and set aside in a dry area for 24 hours. Relish this a little every time and let me know how it turned out. Eat well, live well and stay blessed.